Are there any aliens in this universe? Are we alone in this universe?
Mysteries of the universe.
Recently, Department of Defense released a picture of an UFO. We don't know what this thing is, but are we alone in this universe, or is there any aliens out there? That's what we're gonna discuss today. When we think about the universe, our Earth and the solar system is in the Milky Way galaxy. And in this Milky Way galaxy, there are about 100 billion stars in our Milky Way galaxy. And then in this whole universe, there are about 100 billion galaxies in this universe. And each one of them has 100 billion stars like our Milky Way galaxy. Then in the whole universe, there are 100 billion times 100 billion stars in this universe. Recent statistics show about 20% of stars have a habitable planet like Earth. So there are tons of habitable planets in this universe. In fact, recently almost 5,000 extrasolar planets have been found, and about 60 of them are habitable planets like our Earth. However, one more important thing to think about here is timescale of our human civilization. So the age of the universe we know is 13.8 billion years. And if you compare this 13.8 billion years as 1 year, then this is so-called cosmic calendar from January 1st to December 31st. And then in this 1 year, only December 24th appears the first dinosaur. And in December 29th, dinosaurs gonna disappear because of the asteroid collision. And only December 31st, 10 a.m., apes appear. And then December 31st, 9 p.m., first human ancestors to walk upright, with 2 legs. And a pyramid was built in Egypt 4,000 years ago. And that happened December 31st, 11:59 p.m. 50 seconds. That's almost at the end of the year. We only obtain ability to communicate in radio just 1 second before the midnight. So December 31st, 11:55 p.m. 55 seconds. That's when we obtain a radio communication. Even if alien came to the Earth, if alien came before December 21st, 11:59 p.m., then we have no way to communicate with them. They are just dinosaurs walking around. So time is also a significant factor here. To meet an alien, our civilization need to survive as long as possible. The longer human civilization survive, the more chance we have to meet an alien. So there's no time to waste by doing a war. So we need to live peacefully for a long time. Scientists who made this into equation, the so-called Drake equation, this considers all the factors that I talked about, such as how many stars are in the universe, and how many stars are planets, how many planets are habitable, and then what the chance of life appearing in these habitable planets, and what are chances this life is going to be intelligent life, and what is the chance of this intelligent life to acquire communication methods such as radio, and also times how long is age of the civilization. We have some guess of each of these numbers, and if you put all the numbers in, we get this number, A equal 100 in optimistic case. So that means in our Milky Way galaxy, there are 100 civilizations who can communicate with us. This is very good news, isn't it? However, meeting aliens might be a little bit difficult. For example, Alpha Centauri, which is the closest star from our sun, is at 4.3 light years away. That is 25 trillion miles away. And if we use our rocket, one of the fastest means to travel for us now, it takes 30,000 years to get to Alpha Centauri, which is the nearest star from us. And in our current technology, there's no way to build a rocket that lasts 30,000 years. Even our cars is going to be broken after 20-30 years, and this rocket needs to last 30,000 years. That's next to impossible. More problem is fuel. For example, if we launch 1-ton spaceship, like the size of a car, and accelerate to the 10% of the speed of the light, which is 0.1 c, that requires 4 times 10 to the 17 joules of energy. And this energy is equivalent to the world energy consumption in 1 year. So this is the energy whole people in the world use in 1 year. So this is huge amount of energy. And if you carry this energy as oil, equivalent to 100,000 oil tankers. Now, oil tankers, I'm talking about the huge one, the size of the Eiffel Tower or 3 times the soccer field. So this is the amount of energy we need to carry on this spaceship. If the spaceship carries so much fuel, the spaceship is gonna get heavier, and heavier spaceship needs more energy to accelerate. So there's a dilemma. It's impossible to carry such a huge amount of energy. So in summary, 100 billion times 100 billion stars in this universe. So we can imagine there may be alien civilization somewhere in this universe. However, distance between stars are too large, several light years in average. So it's almost impossible to meet each other. So our exploration is probably limited within solar system. Within a solar system, we can go there with the current technology with some decades. That's still tough, but not impossible. Okay, today's discussion is something like this. If you find this interesting, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Questions and comments are welcome down below. Also, requests for the next video, it's welcome. If you have a question about universe, please ask me. Okay, that's it for today. See you next time. Bye bye.